Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding new friends in Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of the Mobile Legends app, tap the Add Friends icon from the right of the screen. Enter either the name or ID number of the person you want to add, and then tap Name Search or ID Search. You will see a list of results. Find the person you want to add and then tap Follow. They will be notified that you are following them, and if they follow you back, you will become friends. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.